What is going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. I'm out here on Carter Lake today. It's pretty much ice off. I mean, I just went through some ice to get onto this lake. There's a little bit of ice yet left on this reservoir, but yeah, one of the only few bodies of water you can get out here and actually do some open water fishing here in Colorado. So it looks like my walleye spot is under ice right now. So I've only got a few hours here and we're going to be targeting some trout today. So stay tuned. Let's see how we do. There we go. There we go. First little guy of the day. Yeah, not too big. Hopefully we can get some bigger ones today. See you, buddy. There we go. One's slightly better than the first one. There we go. Come here, buddy. Yeah, so not a giant, but definitely bigger than the first fish. Yeah, let's let him go. See ya. Feels like a better one. Yeah, that's a nice fish. Come here, fish. There we go. That's the kind we're after. There we go. Okay, those are the kind that we're here for. Yep, nice rainbow, 20 inches or so. But yeah, nice fish. Let's get her back in the water. See you, bud. Oh, that's good. I foul hooked that fish. Yeah, I did. Not typically how you want to catch them. Ow. You got me back. Just a little prick, it's all good. But yeah, not a bad fish, 18 inches or so. Oh. See you, bud. That is a skinny fish. Looks like he was probably just caught. Maybe that's why he was so sluggish. Wow. There you go, another pretty little guy. Looked a little bit bigger on the live scope. I thought you were going to be a 20 incher, but sometimes that looked a little bit bigger on the live scope. I thought you were going to be a 20 incher, but sometimes that scope seems to lie to you, so get you off quick. And alright. Come on, fish. Alright, just a little guy. There you go. Again, not a bad one, but still not the big ones that we're looking for out here. But it seems like they might be getting more aggressive with the sun going down, so maybe we'll just spend some time looking for just big ones. Okay guys, I thought I'd do my outro here while I still got a little bit of daylight. It's been a little bit of a slower day out here than usual. The ice is just coming off of the lake. The trout are a little spooky today. In previous weeks, you cast over by them and they'd be all over it, but today they seem to be really picky. They're spooking a lot when I cast in their general direction. Anyways, thank you all for watching today's video. All the baits and the gear will be in the description per usual. And thanks for watching, and until next time, we'll catch you later.